Hello and good morning. Today we are on the streets of Manila and we found laksa here in Manila. So me missing laksa from Malaysia, I want to try it out, see if it's good or not. So let's try some Macanese style laksa. What do you want?
A laksa.
Yes, but we have like options.
Wow, I don't know. What do you recommend?
Beef brisket.
Beef brisket?
Okay.
Beef brisket laksa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you go for beef brisket, I go for seafood. Because I want seafood.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, so seafood laksa and
Beef brisket.
beef brisket. Yes, and Macanese pork chop bun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Laksa power 24 hour. We just wandered outside of the house today and just like that, poof, we found this place, which is Tutong's Laksa. Very nice place. And I like the logo. The logo is see? A happy dragon eating laksa. That's so cool. Yay! So if the dragon is happy, we're gonna be happy as well.
Yeah.
Perfect.
You have a dragon on your t-shirt?
Yes, I came prepared. I came with my Komodo dragon t-shirt. So we're matching the vibe of the place perfectly. Oh man, I missed Malaysian food. I missed it a lot, especially laksa and, well, roti john.
Laksa, in case you don't know and you're new to our channel, laksa is the most popular, unique kind of food in Malaysia. It's very diverse in a lot of regions and Malaysian people identify themselves with laksa.
Yes, and each region of Malaysia has its different laksa. And so far, if I remember correctly, my top was Terengganu laksa, then Sarawak laksa, and then Penang laksa. Yes, that was my top 3. So let me see if the Filipino one is gonna be over there in the top 3 or no idea.
I need to do some research on what Macanese style means, but let's see if it has any resemblance.
I can tell you what Macanese style means. Macanese is from Makan Makan Gigi. Come on, how can you not know that? Makan Makan 24/7.
Makan style laksa.
Yes.
Okay, that's a cool word.
This is a small place. It's literally in the middle of an intersection. If you blink, you miss it. But nevertheless, I saw the dragon and I saw the laksa bowl and I'm like, oh no, oh no, Gigi, laksa, now, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we are here and we're waiting for our food.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Eagerly waiting for our food.
If it's gonna be even remotely similar to the one we tried in Malaysia.
Okay.
This is our second branch.
Second branch. Where is the first branch?
Caloocan.
Caloocan? It's a
We
city?
have 5 branches already.
Oh, 5 branches.
That means it is successful.
Sa Caloocan, this one, Sampaloc, Mandaluyong.
Are they in Manila? Okay, so 5 branches in Manila so far. That's
cool.
pretty good. People like laksa. People love laksa.
I love laksa as well. So if I love laksa, then of course people love laksa. Gigi, come on, what kind of question is this? Makan laksa.
Oh my goodness.
That's a big one,
This
Gigi.
is beef laksa?
Yes.
Seafood laksa.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Yo
Okay.
guys, this looks insane.
We have huge laksa bowls.
Wow. This looks insane.
Okay, Gigi, time to try your first laksa here in the Philippines.
Okay, I have the beef laksa. It has a huge spoon here, but that won't stop me from trying it out. Coconut, onion, oil, a bit spicy, which is good. That's a good sign. It's not sour. Maybe the chili paste would make it a bit more sour. Let me see. I want to mix it first because I know I have to mix it. I have to mix the laksa. Let me try it. I like it. It's not spicy. It's a different kind of laksa, but it reminds me a little bit on the laksa in Malaysia, but it's not quite the same. It's sweeter. This one is sweeter than the other one. I like it.
A bit spicy, but it's good. I was not expecting it to be spicy immediately, but it's good. Oh yes, very good.
It's
Seafood.
a bit spicier, yeah.
Yes,
I like it.
seafood. And let's try some of this interesting looking things. I think it's fishball and something.
I want to try some of the chili here, like seriously.
Oh yes.
And I love the
Perfect.
size of the spoons. I mean, you really feel you take a sip out of the laksa. Oh,
Better with the chili?
you can try, yeah. I think it's good.
Okay, let me see how the chili
Spicier,
is.
a bit spicier. It's not like the spice that it's gonna blow your head off. It's just comes
Interesting.
a little bit. It's like building up. It's
Kind of
not
like sambal.
Yeah,
And it has some
kind of
peanuts.
like sambal.
It has some peanuts. Definitely requires more mixing. Mixing.
Sorry guys, it's a bit distracting because I hear my voice in the background.
And now trying to
The ladies are watching our previous
try
videos
the
here.
noodles as well. Yes. This is number 1 laksa in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes. Because there's only one laksa in the Philippines. But for sure, to me, this is the best place to eat breakfast, dinner, and lunch.
Ooh. And it's good, it's flavorful.
Oh yes.
It's rich, it's very rich in flavor. I mean, it's a very hearty. It's like a total soup, like a winter soup.
I miss this a lot.
Laksa in Malaysia was a bit more fresh, I think. It was not as heavy as this one. Because this one, just look at this. Because I want to show you this thing.
Shrimp.
Wait. Just check this out. It has like a huge piece of beef with a lot of...
Can I have some piece from you?
Of course, yeah.
Let me.
You can take this one.
It's too big. That's yours. I take this one. Thank you.
It's massive.
Yours is good as well.
It's very good. I
Yours
like
is different though.
It's very
Tastes more beefy.
beefy. It has an egg as well.
Yes.
It's massive. It's a huge bowl. Do you see the size of this bowl? It's like as big as my face.
Okay. And now trying to try this bun thing as well.
I don't know if the noodles are homemade,
Let me see if it's
but
good.
Yes, this is so
they're homemade. And so these are homemade noodles as well.
The egg one is it egg noodles.
Egg noodles. Thank you for informing us. I didn't know that. They look like homemade.
Oh man, this sandwich is also very good. As a snack, this works perfect. I know, I think it's meant for that. And together with the laksa, kinda doesn't work. But for its own, this sandwich, very good. This laksa, very good. Just don't buy them together. Yes, because they kinda don't work. Okay, time to makan and finish our food here. Because the Romanians say that if you don't finish your food, it's gonna grow in your plate.
Just look at him going.
Done.
Wow.
Oh man.
You're fast. That was very impressive. I would have struggled at least half an hour with that thing.
I know. This is how you eat laksa. Properly. If the laksa is good, yummy, makanin. Ooh. Okay. This has been our laksa experience for today. Thank you so much for the laksa. The laksa is amazing. Very good. I wish people will come here and enjoy this place as well. Yes. And they have 5 branches in Manila, so go pick one of them out. Go there, get the food. Totally recommend it. That being said, time to go.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't
Thank you
forget
guys for
to
watching.
Subscribe,
Like,
share,
everything.
all these things, and help us make more videos.
Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.